Mr. Chairman and friends of the committee, my message today is this: franchising is small business.
The collective network of a franchise brand can be substantial, comprised of hundreds, if not thousands, of individual small business owners.
We are not simply managers of corporate stores. We are entrepreneurs who invest our own capital, take on significant financial risk, and are deeply committed to our local communities.
For so many of our colleagues, it's instructive to know that franchisees are small business.
Whether it's fast food like McDonald's, gyms like Planet Fitness, or even hotels like Motel 6, the opportunity to become a franchise owner exists across many industries.
Restaurant ownership is not for the weak. We work hard for every dollar that comes through our doors, and so margins are thin. Anything that increases cost raises concern.
With the joint employer, there is risk associated with that. Any rule that puts that in jeopardy hurts us, hurts the franchise owner, and hurts the communities in which they're serving.
That's what these hearings are about, to hash out some of the most important issues that are facing our country when it comes to small businesses.
We are focusing on helping all small businesses, franchise and otherwise, succeed on Main Street.